This 1/14 scale RBRC crawler looks really nice, but it doesn't crawl that well. The body is really heavy, which makes it top heavy, and it rolls over fairly easily. The total weight is slightly over 800 grams. It doesn't have enough grip or power to climb really challenging obstacles. So I thought, why not remove things it doesn't need to make it lighter? You can get a long way by removing things like spare wheels, seats, and the door panels. But let's remove the whole body to see the difference. The body makes around half its weight, slightly above 300 grams, and removing it brings the weight down to 400 grams. It lowers the center of gravity a lot and gives the motor and drivetrain an easier time as it has a smaller mass to accelerate. This simple test makes it seem that it made a big difference, but doesn't represent the real world performance. Even though it lost half its weight, it only performs slightly better overall. It can't really climb any steeper as it didn't improve traction, but it is less likely to roll over in a steep climb. It still wants to roll over almost as easily as on bumps, but my guess is that the suspension became too stiff and doesn't work properly. This route was almost possible stock, so with the modification it should be a piece of cake, but no. No, it only makes a small difference, as it wants to tip over anyways, but it is more stable when leaning sideways. But the last part, it rolls over almost as easily. However, it makes a small difference in acceleration that allows it to get over the edge, and the wheels stay on the ground a little bit better. It really struggled to climb this gravel hill due to no traction on the loose gravel. The lower weight might help it overcome it easier, right? No, it arguably makes it worse. It bounces more and barely makes it over the first part. Is the sand hill easier to climb with less weight, as it shouldn't just sink? But there is absolutely no difference. There are some places it performs better though. Here are some clips for comparison. This stone was difficult to climb with the body on, and it still is without it.